Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a Telegram account with your mail. And I'm also here to tell you the truth and give my honest opinion about this. So I'm holding here the Telegram login or start messaging screen, and if I tap on that, he will immediately ask for my phone number. And this is also the message that I want to give you. There is no way how you can deny or how you can skip filling in your phone number, because Telegram has a policy that they need your phone number to work with. So there is no option how you can do this. So please stop watching other clickbait videos with how you can do this. No, there is no other way how you can create an account with only the email. Alright, if you have questions in the comments, please let me know. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.